Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Bharerav sir of Support Classes, Abduryosi Hodgi Road, Sholapur. In previous video, I have taught you some part of articles in English grammar. In previous video, we have seen only the uses of a and an article. Now we will see the uses of article the. Just going to next, we will recap what we have seen in the article. In article, I have told you that the articles are divided into two types, that is indefinite article and definite article. In Marathi, indefinite article we call it as anichit upade and definite article nichit upade. In indefinite articles, we take a and an. Then in definite article, we use only the. And these articles we use only before the countable nouns. Then we have seen the rules. We have seen two rules about the uses of an and a article. Now we will move the next. Now we will see the uses of the article. Now rule number 3. The is the article is used in the case of the only object in the world. Means in Marathi, जगात एकमेव असणाऱ्या वस्तूंच्या बाबतीत द हे उपपद वापरतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, द ताज महल. Taj Mahal is the world famous object, and that is one unique object in the world. That's we use the article before the Taj Mahal. Next, the Gol Gumat. Gol Gumat is situated in the Bijapur in Karnataka district. This is also one unique object in the world. That's we use the article before that. Then next is the sun. In the universe, only sun gives light. That's why we use before the sun the as the article. Then next is the moon. In the same way, we use also before the moon. Moon is also one unique object. Now fourth one, we use the article before use the article before world famous things and person. Means we use before the world famous things and persons. For example, the Taj Mahal. This is one type of thing, and before that we use the article. Next is the Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is the proper noun, but she was one of the famous female in the world. That's why I use the before Mother Teresa. The Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He is also famous person in the world. That's why we use the before that famous personality. Next, rule: use the article before superlative degree. In superlative degree we use article the. Now we will take examples. For example, the best. First is good, second is better, and third is best. Superlative degree. That's why we use before best the. Then next is the most. Much, more, most. These are the forms. And next is the tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Means tallest is the superlative degree. That's why we use before the tallest the. Next is number 6. We use the article before the name of river, before the name of mountain, and before the name of sea. Use the article before the name of a river, mountain, and sea. For example, a river, the Ganga. Ganga is the famous river in India. That's why we use the before that. Then mountain, the Himalaya. Next one, the sea, the Arabian Sea. Himalaya is the famous mountain. That's why we use before that the. And also Arabian Sea we use before that the. Then next one, rule number now 7. Rule number 7 is A and N uses it once when referring to the beginning of a noun and then the uses the subterm when referring to another time of the noun. Means A and an uses it once when referring to the beginning of a noun, and then the uses the subterm when referring to the another time of the noun. For example, this is a pencil. A pencil, full stop. The pencil is in my pocket. See here, there are two sentences there. This is a pencil. We have used here a because the pronunciation of pencil is p. That's why we use the consonant sound, we used a article, then full stop is here, then same the object is also there here, and that before that we used here the article. I hope you understood it better. Now next you will see the next now rule. Up to this we have seen 7 rules. Now next rule number 8. The article is used for world famous books and text. Means the article is used for world famous books and text. For example, now world famous book is, for example, the Ramayana. Ramayana is the famous book, and next is this we also called as a novel. The next is the Mahabharata. In this way we used before the famous novel Mahabharata and before the famous book one is Ramayana. Before that we have used the as an article. Now these are the rules where we have to use the. Now we see now those rules where articles is not used. Rule number 9. Never use article before articles before proper noun. Don't use article before proper noun or after proper noun. Next, don't use article before material noun. Don't use article before material noun. 11th one, don't use article before abstract noun. And next rule is don't use article before plural noun. Where we have to don't use article before proper noun, don't use article before material noun, and don't use article before abstract noun, and last one is don't use before plural noun. These are the